Mastering idiomatic expressions. Setting up a hide. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, setting up a hide. This phrase is a great example of how language can paint a vivid picture in just a few words. Let's dive in and discover what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. Setting up a hide is an idiomatic expression. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. In this case, setting up refers to arranging or preparing something, while a hide is a place of shelter, often used for observing wildlife in their natural environment. So, setting up a hide means to prepare a concealed place for observation or waiting. The origin of this phrase comes from wildlife observation and hunting. A hide is a camouflaged shelter that allows people to observe wildlife without being seen. In everyday English, the phrase is used metaphorically. It implies preparing or arranging a situation or place so you can observe or wait without being noticed. For example, a journalist might set up a hide to watch a public figure for a story. Let's see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. 1. In journalism, the reporters were setting up a hide near the politician's house to get the latest scoop. 2. In everyday life, I set up a hide in the living room to surprise my friend for her birthday. There are other phrases in English with similar meanings. For example, lying in wait, or staking out. These phrases also imply waiting in a concealed position to observe or act. And that wraps up our exploration of setting up a hide. This phrase is a great example of how English can use imagery to convey a concept. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your conversations. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.